Okay, so in this one, for this problem, we have 49,170 divided by 15. And when we look at this divisor, it has a 5 in the ones place, and we have to decide if we're going to round down to 10 or round up to 20. Neither one is right or wrong, but we're going to look today at which way you go. Well, let's just take a look. So if we round it to 10, if we take this 15 and round it to 10, and let's say, since this went down, I may want this to go up. Well, also because 49 is awfully close to 50, so I would keep that. I would round 49 to 50, and so that means I would take 49,150 and round it to just 50,000. So that's one way that this could go. But if I wanted to take this 15 and round it up to 20, since I went up here, I may want to go down with the 49 and round it down to 40,000, kind of to try to make it even. Oops, I just noticed I'm missing a 0 over there. 40,000, and this is supposed to be 50,000. Monk. Okay, so then we want to round it to a one-digit arithmetic fact. So here's one digit. So that would make our one-digit fact 5 divided by 1, which is 5. Easy peasy. But over here, it would be 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So then when we add those zeros back in, remember we're thinking about this in terms of 2 tens, so we would get rid of this one. We're thinking about this in terms of 4,000 tens, so we get rid of this one. So on this side, that would give us an estimate of 4,000 tens divided by 2 tens. Which would be 2,000. And over here, we would think about it in terms of 1 10 over here and 5,000 tens over here. So when we write that back into our little house, $5,000 divided by 1 is 5,000. So our estimate would be either 2,000 or 5,000, and that's quite a big difference. So let's get out our calculators and find the quotient using our calculator. When we do that, we find that the quotient for 49,170 divided by 15 is, I'm going to get way up here, 3,200. I don't think these are in the right spot. Sorry, it's hard to do this. 3,278. So this is not very accurate, and the main reason that we're looking at these sorts of inaccurate estimations is so that we can keep that in our mind, because remember, the goal of the lesson is to understand estimation as a tool to quickly find an approximate answer. But if you're using estimation and your divisor has a 4, 5, or 6 in the ones place, you would just want to keep in mind that your estimation may be a little off, depending on what you round it to. So that is it for that one. We're going to skip. What happens if I scroll down? Hold on one second. Option T. Keep forgetting that. Woo. We're going to skip this. Nope, not doing this one. Yay. And so on your own, let's take a look at this. we're going to be doing the same thing. So we would round to estimate the quotient and then use a calculator to compare. So when we're comparing, let's think about, was our answer close or not close? And there's really no right or wrong. Let's see. I'm going to have a little bit of fun here. Using a calculator. Oh, look, it does highlight. Go away. Sorry, this is new to me, so I'm having fun. So if your parents see you with a calculator, it's okay on this one. So there should be two things. There should be an estimate, and if you want, actually I think it's option P. If you want, you can just write the actual answer and calculate that first, and then, well, in fact, let's do that. We'll do this one together. So let me warm up my calculator because I haven't done this one yet. So if we get our calculators and calculate 715 divided by 11, that'll give us the quotient of 65. I'm still using red. That's okay. Sometimes we're just using red. So then let's do our estimate. I know we're doing it backward order. It does say to do it second. But I don't care because we don't have a lot of space and we're trying to write small. So let's see. Looking at this number, I would probably round it to 10. And our dividend, I would round probably to 700. And we saw that it was easier to take it down to a one-digit fact. So that would be 7 divided by 1. So we'll write that up again. 1 outside, 7 inside. You could probably even do that mental math. That's 7. And so we're thinking about this in terms of tens. So 170 tens divided by 110. Let's just add that 0 back in here. Give us 70. So our estimate was 70. The quotient was 65. They're close. That's not too bad. So you'll be doing 2 through 10 on your own. And that's what I will be checking as far as turned in work when I see you on Monday. Take care until then.